one of nature's masterpieces. Saquarema is located only 60 miles away from Rio de Janeiro. It's a small town surrounded by white sand between a deep blue sea and incredible natural lakes. The resinga vegetation, magnificent mountains and lakes with salt and fresh water frame one of the most beautiful landscapes of the Atlantic coast. God bless Saquarema with green hills, lakes and pristine beaches. Without a doubt, Saquarema is one of the most beautiful places in Brazil.
Nada do que foi será de novo do jeito que já foi dia. Tudo passa, tudo sempre passará. Na vida vem em ondas como um mar, num indo e vindo infinito. Tudo que se vê não é igual ao que a gente.
Saquarema is internationally known because of the sport tourism. The Itaúna beach holds the best waves found in Brazil and is the favorite for surfing competitions. With the construction of Brazil's volleyball development center in Saquarema, the town became famous as headquarters of the largest volleyball training center in the world, where the Brazilian volleyball teams practice for national and international competitions. With the Pepe Ramp in Sampaio, Korea, and the Great Air Currents, Saquarema entered the national schedule for hang gliding and paragliding. The sports park in Itaúna holds an excellent track for autocross and motocross. Our coast is chosen by professional divers because of its coral reef biodiversity. Our beaches and lagoons are also perfect for water sports such as jet skiing, sailing, canoeing, and windsurfing. Countryside in Saquarema also offers many attractions for visitors. lagoons in every area of this town, and the largest is the Saquarema Lagoon. The lagoon turned into a beach when the canal that makes a permanent connection with the ocean was built. It also brought more fish for the residents' table.
Eu já estou com o pé nessa estrada. Qualquer dia a gente se vê. Sei que nada será como antes amanhã. Que notícias me dão dois amigos? Que notícias me dão de você?
Saquarema has been blessed by nature. 3 protected areas can be found here: Massambaba, Jacarepiá, and Red Lagoon. Anyone can take a hike through some of the trails to visit these wonderful natural reserves. Beauty, happiness, health, and quality of life. Come visit Saquarema to meet the gifts that Mother Nature gave us.
Você